In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and then select photos or albums. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos and either hit select all at the top right corner of each section, or to pick photos from multiple sections. I have only yesterday, but you probably have more. Use this icon with check marks also at the top right corner. Now slide your finger across all of your photos you wanna keep, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!